Hello again. Why am I doing this? I'm basically just gonna get ready. Duh. The main reason I'm doing this, the main reason I'm getting ready is because I want content to put up. But also, I was sent these eyelashes, and I want to do a review on the eyelashes, but I'm not exactly about to wear the eyelashes when I'm not, like, in drag. It's not gonna be drag, but, you know, drag. So I'm gonna open those once I've done the makeup, and I also just have a lot of makeup I still want to try out, so it's another, like, kind of random chatty get ready with me trying out my new makeup and just kind of, you know, chilling before I stream and do a review. Part 2. So I already primed my face, and I'm going to just do my normal, like, makeup routine. I'm not going to do, like, the full drag, like the paint stick over the face. I'm going to try and keep it, like a natural drag. Whereas last time was more of, like, my natural daily makeup. This time I am going to try and go for, like, a female transformation, feminizing thing. So I'm going to go in with my usual step, which is to take my TV paint stick and use that as a concealer before my foundation. So I'm going to conceal any problem areas, any spots, any bags, any redness, just basically my whole face. Be quick, I don't want to take like an hour, so I'll let you know at the end how long this has taken me. Bits under my eyes, I'm going to blend with my finger just because I want to treat my under eyes nicely. I hear the skin there is very thin and delicate, and that kind of grosses me out when I hear that. Okay, now that my flaws are for the most part kind of covered and they've got a helping hand, I'm now going to go in with just a layer of foundation. My most viewed video on this channel is actually a Resident Evil video, when I made like a fake game, but then I've since started making like drag content and makeup content in the last 5 years, and probably confused all of my old subscribers. Let me know if you're part of the best of both worlds. Okay, now that the base is on, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and just like highlight the areas I want to be highlighted. Under the eyebrows, under the eyes, and the cheeks. When I did my New Year's makeup, what I did was I made all of like this part of my face like all kind of darker. I didn't like highlight down here, and I don't know what it was. Maybe it was the powder I was using or something, but I just looked really nice. My cheeks just really stood out and I looked really feminine, so maybe I'll try that today, and when I'm contouring I'll just keep it darker. I just looked healthy. It was nice. It's this very well loved colour here, so just gonna cut off my jaw, give me a little lady jaw. God, can you imagine if I get surgery to like fix my, not fix, but to feminize my like jaw and chin? It'll be over for everyone. Like, I won't have to go through all these makeup steps to look feminine. Ugh. And then blend again. I feel like I've blended that away into like nothing, but I'm sure it'll make a subtle difference. Look at that, I'm doing all this highlighting and I haven't even whipped out, cracked out. I haven't brought out the white paint stick yet. I am interested in like the idea of tanning. Not that this is a tan, this is the palest colour they do, but instead of like as other than white, maybe I'd make myself too pale. I'm interested in the effect that that has on my facial structure, being like pale or not. Okay, and I'm in the habit of doing the eyes while I'm at this cream stage before I set my cream with powder. So let's do some eyes. Yeah. Also going to remember this isn't going to be a very eyeliner heavy look because the eyelashes I've got, they're not like my huge drag eyelashes, so I still want you to be able to see them, so I'm going to try and keep my eyes nice and light. I'm saying that now, don't know what's going to actually happen. I'm going to take this palette, I think, yeah. This palette, it's by Obsession. I love Obsession. One of them. Great. Oh, it's taped shut. I am going to take this one, which looks like a peach or something. I don't even know if this is the right kind of brush to use, but it's the only brush I've got that's clean right now. Put that on my eye. It looks kind of shimmery. And that's what kind of drew me to it, this like shimmer. Wow, this is horrible. It's not a highlighter, but my god, the texture it gives to my eyes. Ew. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, just so you know what I'm talking about. It makes my eyes look really wrinkly and like not perfect. It is nice though, the colour and the shine and everything is nice. I don't regret using it as a starting point. Okay, so now I'm going to take this white colour, does seem pretty white, and I'm going to just go in my middle with that. Is that doing anything? I don't know if that's doing anything. It's like I said last time, I've got a very like heavy hand with makeup, so unless it's like pure pigment, I almost don't notice it because I'm just like, I can't see it. But I'm going to take that white, also put it under my brow bone, just because that's lovely. No, it's doing something, it is showing up. And then there is this purple colour. Did they say what it's called? No, they don't. And I'm going to put that on the outside to see how dark it is. It's not that dark, it's subtle and blendable. They're just naturally a bit purple, you know. And then I'm going to take this pink, lighter purple, put that on the outside, just blend it a little bit more. Don't even know if it does anything, but this is pretty so far, isn't it? This palette is cute. I'm going to take this Revolution eyeshadow in Purple Heaven. Because how nice is that? Such a good colour purple. It looks purple but also blue at the same time. Put that basically where I put the first purple. Wow. It's really pretty. Not gonna lie, this is also kind of a rushed job with my makeup. You see, I'm using like the same brush and I'm like, you know what, you can skip some steps, and I'm learning which steps I can skip, which things don't need to take a million years. Okay, so I'm going to just clean up my eyelid with this, with a bit of white cream, kind of cut into my crease. Just raise it like a little bit because I'm a bit obsessed with a cut crease and having big eyes. So now I'm going to take the Revolution Iconic Pro palette that I used last time with the whites from that and just go over this white with this white. Yeah, this white is so much better. Really dark purple, I think. Browny purple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that just like all on the complete outside part of my eye, which will be cleaned up once the eyeliner's on, but it's just like, you know, to give the eyeliner something to like go into. And I also just got lots all over my nose. Honestly, I'm treating my face like painting. It's like you throw down a bunch of stuff and then you add more details as you go. So I like, see the way it's like I've added like that wingness, it kind of like lifts my eyes up. That's cute. God, I look a mess. Either that was messy application or the shadows do have a lot of fallout. I noticed that when I'm putting them on the brush. So now I'm going to go in with the black and just put that right on the edge. Look how black that is. I love a black shadow. I feel like I could almost use this as an eyeliner. It's that black. It's so good. This is honestly just a big smoky mess. I can't apologise enough for how messy this looks right now. Ugh. I'm ashamed. I wish I was one of those people that could do eyes before base, because then you could just clean it up with a makeup wipe. That's not me though. Do not believe in that. I probably should though. Let's see. Will it dust off? Oh! Kinda does. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. I also got this for my birthday. No, I didn't. It was Christmas. It's an Essence eyeliner pen. That reminds me, I have a bunch of eyeliners that I've run out. And did you know you can just pull this out and flip it around and you'll have like eyeliner again? I didn't know that. Go over that, and clean that up, and then turn it into a wing. There we go. And then connect that with here. Ugh, this is... I hate doing like details on my eyes. Also, this thing is sharp. So I'm not looking forward to putting these lashes on, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I talk about this all the time, but I'm not good with eyelashes. And I also do just love a heavy liner. I almost just don't feel right unless I've extended my inner corner. Because otherwise I'm convinced that it's just like, my inner eye looks naked and my eyes look far apart and everyone should just do it. This is my preferred eye to do because it's the eye that doesn't see very well, which means when it's closed, I'm using my good eye. Now it's time for the eyebrows, I guess. Brush my eyebrows. I never actually do this. And let's just draw some eyebrows on. I think I'll try and keep these eyebrows light and not overdo it. Okay, now to set this face. I think a light lip might go with the look. It kind of has like porn star makeup look to it right now though. I'll do the light and then I'll see how I feel. It's just because I did get this new lip liner. And it's a really nice colour. Cherry Sweet. Let's see, I'll put it on the middle of my lips and I'll see how the colour on my face looks. No, as nice as it is, I do think it's too much and I'm going to go for a light lip. So, I will blend this out there. I hate this like Cupid-y look though that people do. You know, like where you make your lips look small. I hate it. Okay, so I'm going to take this colour that I really like. It is by MUA and it's in Papaya Punch. It's like a coral colour. It's not an American word because it sounds so American. Coral. It's like light but it's colourful, so it's not dark, it's not grey, it's not too purple. Whatever. So over jaw. So it's like a pink nude colour. It's basically the colour of my lips, I think. But then next to this orange, they look really similar, so that's nice. And there I've got my lips on. Okay, this is very similar to my New Year's makeup actually. And then all that powder that we put on, I'm gonna just dust that away, buff it in, blend it in, whatever. Because it was applied with a puff. By a puff. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a bunch of cream highlighters because I used them the other day and they were lovely. I have this gold and this pink or red. What colour did they call it? Dragon's blood. Okay. I'm going to put this on first because then I know I could put the gold on top of it if I don't like how it looks, because I do think this does show up red. I'm going to put this like on the apples of my cheeks. And then maybe where I would want blush to go. Oops, some just dripped down and I have no idea where it went. I don't know what the best technique is for applying this stuff. I use my fingers. And I'm just going to tap it in. And the pink hue that's left behind is very subtle, so that's why I don't mind using this as both a highlighter and a blush at the same time. God, I feel so pretentious using this dropper thing because I hate the dropper thing. You know those idiots on Instagram who like put it all down their faces or whatever? Stupid. Hate it so much. So much. The yellow and the red just kind of go into each other really nicely, and I think I've done a good job. And then I also got this white eyeliner pen by Essence, and it's really good. Like, I've had white eyeliner pens before and they just don't show up. This one actually shows up. I love it. So I'm just going to quickly draw some, like, just like a white line under my eye. I start every sentence with okay and then. It's so annoying. Use a powder highlighter on top of the cream highlighter. I forgot what I was going to say then. If for no other reason than to simply just set the cream highlighter so it doesn't feel like it's sticky on my face. I think the makeup's done. I haven't got mascara on. Do you do mascara before or after eyelashes? I don't know. I'm going to put it on before. Glow, bitch. Wow, that didn't work. Well, whatever. It's just the Barry Lash Vegas mascara. It makes your eyelashes black when you coat them. Is the mascara meant to do something else? I am worried that I may have put this eyeliner on too thick, so when I'm trying to do this like lash review, you're not going to be able to see them. Okay, cool. And it has been 50 minutes exactly, and the makeup is done. So then I'm going to like put a wig on, and then I guess I'll film the outro. Okay, cool. I've just gone and put a wig on, and I also changed into like this vest, which is something I own for a cosplay that's coming up soon. 3 guesses who might be wearing a black tank top underneath a certain coloured jacket. Okay, I feel really pretty, firstly. Wow. This wig's great. This was the one, I don't know if you remember it, it was my big, long, thick, pink princess wig hair. And I wanted to wear it in a ponytail, so I since cut a huge amount of like layers in it and I thinned it out tremendously, and it just like flows so much more naturally. Now you can see these streaks of colour in it. That is because for New Year's Eve, which you can see pictures here, or maybe here, somewhere on the screen, I wore it in a ponytail. And obviously I used my real hair for the bottom of the ponytail, and then incorporated it with some contraption to make it look like the only unclockable ponytail that you would ever seen. How's that going? Oh yeah. So I had to like, to make it match my hair, and because my hair was blonde, this was pink, I used pink hairspray, and the pink hairspray is still in the wig now, so you can see these bits of pink. They're very dry. It's very dry. Almost kind of like a vagina. This is cute! Oh, I look good. Now, I can't decide how I should have my hair. I like the long, and I think there's probably something nice about the long and like slutty. Because if I wear it back, it just looks kind of short. Oh, but that's nice too. Tell you what, the biggest struggle in my life is the fact that, you know when you just suit everything? You know when you're just so good looking, everything works? You know. I'm not being rude, I just want to test out how this works with headphones on. Because this wig probably adds about 2 inches to the size of my head. Okay. I can just see myself from a distance, and that's probably the size it would be as like the little screen in the corner of the screen on like Twitch. And I look so fishy. I look so feminine and passable and convincing. I'm gonna piss so many people off. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. Pretty. Oh, this is a moment. Oh, I was gonna draw boobs on, but I can't be bothered now. You won't be able to see them in Twitch, so. I want to keep these headphones on. I don't know why, they're a really good part of the look. Oh yeah, eyelashes. Okay, if you're seeing this now, that means that I filmed this before putting the eyelashes on, and I forgot to film an outro after I did the eyelashes. So, I'm about to put the eyelashes on, but this is the end of the video, so thanks for watching. Please like it if you liked it, let me know what you thought, watch my other videos, subscribe for future videos, and check out all of my social media in the description. That's all, thanks, and bye! Mwah.